Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to my tutorial on drawing natural scenery. In this video, we will explore the art of capturing the beauty of nature on paper. Begin by selecting your subject matter, whatsoever it's a serene landscape, a lush forest, or a majestic mountain range. Find inspiration in the world around you. Next, choose your drawing material wisely. Opt for pencil, pastels, or watercolors to convey the texture and color of nature with precision. As you start sketching, focus on capturing the essence of the scene. Pay attention to the play of light and shadow, the intricate details of foliage, and the organic shape of rocks and terrain. Remember to vary your strokes to create depth and dimensions. Experiment with different techniques such as hatching, stripping, and blending to bring your drawing to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Embrace imperfections and allow them to add characters to your artwork. Finally, take time and enjoy the process. Drawing natural scenery is not just about replicating what you see, but also about expressing your unique perspective and appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. So, grab your sketchbook and let's embark on a journey of creativity and discovery through the beauty of natural scenery. Happy drawing! Next, focus on the finer details, the texture of the rock, the movement of the water, bringing depth and dimension to your composition. Now it's time to add colors. Layering shades of green for the trees, blue for the sky, and water and earth tones for the rock and soil if you want. Don't forget to play with light and shadows. And there you have it, an exquisite natural scenery brought to life on canvas, ready to inspire and delight all who behold it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.